Hey Duck Squad, and today I have a news. I will have a neon parrot. Yay, finally. It's my first neon legendary pet. So enjoy and watch it to the end if you want to. I'm not asking you to watch if you're not interested. My sister just made it full grown. So TP to her and also subscribe to her channel. But yeah, I don't tell her name first. First, I need to make a normal name. Okay, should I say platypus? 2 cats. She says she wants this on full-grown parrot. That's crazy. She looks accept anyway. Okay. I'm so excited. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, there are many people who are watching me, but only 4 subscribers, including my sister. This. Okay. First, second, third, and fourth. Huh? Oh my goodness! Finally! Yes! Oh my goodness! It's yeah, boy. It looks so nice. Oh, okay. So, yeah, no, that's her cat. Okay, I like when their wings are like this. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Lands all over the ears. Okay. And it back. Neon fly right parrot. So yeah. So hit the like button, subscribe, and put on notifications so you will not miss my videos. And bye, Duck Squad.